doing, folks? James Farrer here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this pristine 2014 metallic white finish BMW 5 Series 518D SE Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. Up front you notice the BMW LED angel eyes, the silver trim kidney grille, the 17-inch wide-spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the privacy glass in the rear with the shark fin antenna. We come around to the back, you have the debadged trunk to give it a classier look with the twin exhaust pipes. This car is also fitted with an automatic trunk, just a simple click of the key fobs and she'll pop right open. Let's close that down and take a look at the interior. Now that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional sports steering wheel, the 360-degree parking sensors, the automatic transmission, the BMW iDrive system on board. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an Eco Pro mode. The interior is fitted with a black sports Dakota leather with a black trim finish, fully electric seats and windows, a keyless push button start, heated seats and many other extras. That was just a quick look around this 2014 5 Series 518D SE Saloon. Now, if you have any questions about this car or if you want to take it for a test drive, please feel free to stop into us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it.